Fuck yeah! Everyone say fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! I got some brand new music for you coming up right next. This is my new song with these two guys called Night Party.